Whoa, Jesus. Sure.
I'm so happy. I'm so happy.
We need to stop doing it, shoveling so close to each other because we're gonna cut each other's fingers off.
Oh God.
No, we're not gonna bury my Subaru.
It's gonna be like,
Because they hate boring people. That's what you don't want to see on YouTube, is somebody say something boringly. You want it to be funny, really.
like a sitcom, like
You do.
so
You want it to be.
car-sized hole.
You want it to be funny and exaggerated. Spencer, you had some ideas about the size?
So I think we should go like 2, maybe 3 inches in from each tire.
Yep.
That way you can drive right over it easily and safely.
Yeah.
And probably like 5 or 6 feet down.
Yep. Yep.
5 or 6 feet down.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Nice. Sounds.
So this was a fox den. There were literally fox kits in here, but this was like 2 years ago. Let's lose Spencer's phone. Go on, Spencer, put it on the shovel.
Put it on the shovel.
Oh god, it's so creepy in there. That's like, oh my god, that's like the hole. Alright, yo, dig this out a little bit. Oh, that's so cool. I don't know, but I hope I don't get bit. Alright, let's dig it out more. Let's just, if we get rid of all this, we can just get to that.
Aside from my soul, there goes a sight, there goes a sight. Now there goes a sight from my soul. There goes a sight from my soul.
Film your face.
All right, so this is where we're at. It's dark now, so we're gonna stop for the day. But we made some major progress. We finished digging down and we built it, and then filled it in. And we're gonna end up putting another board in right here for strength. But otherwise, she's good to go.
I'm going to bed. Spencer's going back to work at a different job.
That's a wrap.
Side there, 'cause it's so